Drum Course by J.E.
Blessed day guys, welcome to online drum course by Coach J.E. Today's lesson is double stroke fills with groove. Okay? So start tayo. Bali ano to guys, 6 bars lahat. Yung una, 3 bars. Then repeat, 3 bars ulit. So lahat, 6 bars to. Okay? So start tayo sa groove, 2 bars. Then yung pangatlong bar is fill-ins. Okay? So, turo ko muna yung groove natin. 8 note to. 8 note pa rin yung hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Yung hi-hat. Yung X dito, yung hi-hat to. Okay? Then, yung kick natin, nasa 1 and 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yung snare natin nasa 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tayo natin i-combine yung kick sa snare, okay? Magka-count tayo ng malakas, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun siya, yung kick and snare pattern. Tapos, combine na natin yung hi-hat natin. Combine natin. 8 notes siya. So, number 1 natin, sabay kagad siya. Sabay siya, kick and hi-hat. 1 and. Okay? May end siya. 1 and snare. 2 and. 3 kick. 3 and. Hi-hat. 4 snare and. Ulit. 1 and. 2 and. 3 and. 4 and. So, ayun yung groove natin. 2 bars to. So, gawin natin yung 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Second bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, ayun yung groove niya, yung 2 bars. Then, dito na tayo sa fill-ins na double stroke. So, ang pattern niya, sa snare muna, right, right, left, left. 1. Ayun yung 1 niya, right, right, left, left. 1. Then, tom 1. Yung number 2. 2. 3. Yung 3 niya, sa tom 2. So, yan. Basta tom 2 to. Then, floor tom, yung number 4. 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then, repeat. Groove ulit. So, start tayo sa groove, yung 2 bars, then, fill-ins ng 6 bars, okay? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 groove. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Finish.